Okay, hello again. So we are in the Fab Lab having breakfast. This is guy running Fab Lab, Rasmus, again. Hi there.
Hi.
And some other guys. And this is the breakfast. And later on, I'll show you some of the projects we are working on.
Some of you have been running it in other countries, so I thought it would be nice to have like a little bit of an introduction on how I would like to say work together with Jonas, but I'm not quite sure that's was in a project with Jonas together. I think it's more the correct way of putting it. And when I think about it as how we organized the whole thing, I think that's also like the wrong word to use. How we managed everything, I think is more correctly.
Maybe you experience this on your own body. Of course, you have built something, and every time you build something, that you're also constructing new knowledge. And that's actually what Seymour Papert, he was a student of Confucius, and he developed constructionism, which is actually the same, but emphasizes the importance of making an artifact. You're producing something, you're creating something, but that construction could be a physical object, but could also be a poem or like a musical piece. That's also a construction. So anything that the student or we create is a way to learn. An important thing about in constructionism, it has to be shareable. You need to make something that you do.
Gracias por la academia, por la beca y por toda la ayuda gracias.
Lena from AgriLab made a van module.
Hi, I'm very happy to receive.
So here's a huge laser, and Johannes is connecting the exhaust. There was no suitable pipe, so he had the 3D print adapter in there, and it's going there, and after that the laser will be at use.
Der er ingen software til. Det er meget raffineret. Ja. I bunden af den her, der sidder et stik. Ja, så man sætter den der i. Så der er ingen software.
Big plate, but there's no active Z-axis. You do that basically manually.
Ja, det er præcis. Trigget til.
So here's drone workshop. Prepares.
Jump
Nice.
drones. The only kind of drones.
Oh, we are about to start meeting of a Nordic Network Association, Nordic Fab Lab Network Association. But there is a drone workshop on the go, I believe, still with the VR classes. So the drone workshop is going on here.
Because often what people just do is just strap them all outside.
I was going to make like a bicycle, but pretty boring to them. Instead, I found this snowflake generator. I want to make it like completely chaos snowflakey. So it's going to be a snowflake generated.
Just spying your plans?
Yeah, no.
Tim? The distance between Tim? It's just a hard to get in.
Model.
The Dun Canal.
An arrow, so we have to be pretty far away.
It's really nice.
And also the microphone is
What are these?
It's a catapult. Tim has been making them.
Staffy.
It's because he hates people.
Take a bigger name. He's just nailing it.
Yeah. Maybe I think we should actually start at the office.
At the office?
Yeah, and then do a walk through from there, because then it's sort of like I can like give the presentation, like saying, hey, this is Nordic, without like there being noise and everything, and we just walk into where people are doing stuff. I think it makes more sense.
Yeah, then it's more quiet to do the talking.
Yeah, I can just stand behind the desk to begin with. I can say like, welcome to Nordic. Hi from Copenhagen.
First one to go.
Disarm it. Disarm it. All the way around line.
Catch him.
Sorry, Lars.
You're warm but the groom. Ready for start.
I know vad det var lite irriterande. Hot glue. Jag har hot glue. Jag tänkte då 50-50. Ja, det är rätt.
Something you could use this if you want to. You put the little double here, then you press it down on that one. Yeah. And then you try to push this at the same time so it's flush.
Carbon. Pure hard carbon. That's way to go. I like
New lawnmower.
Really? More power.
Okay. It does
Is
fly.
it at maximum? Yeah, I had it at maximum, but it only comes a bit up.
Ah, there we go.
Oh, it works. Yeah. Oh, nice lift off.
It's done. Designad 249. Det är så jävla bra. Den säljer. Jag tror det är honom, men de är gärna kunna göra på deras filmer.
See what I'm doing.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
So I first go with this.
More throttle. Way more throttle.
Here.
Yep.
Way to go.
This is the front, or this is the front, so it's way easier for you to fly when you have the front in the same direction as you are heading.
A lot of trouble, yes.
Down, 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 down.
It's coming.
Yeah, you save it. Disarm.
And I think it didn't even break.
No, that's good.
Thanks to
That would have been really cool in slow-mo, but it's hard to catch.
So front is that direction. This arm.
Lunch is on the way. They're just shopping now.
This arm.
Tim, let me take a picture.
I still have to figure out where all the pieces are.
Okay.
Afraid of the time? Oh,
yeah. But it worked.
Alright. Put it in.
Today, I will send you a link or bill of material or something like that.
Yes.
To
Great,
you.
great.
So, because my idea is that I lay this up on Fingerworks. Like I do workshop, Copenhagen, Bootcamp, something like that. And all the designs that I got there lay up there, so people can download in the future.
Yeah.
And
I will send you my DXF.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
All right, soon you will see how the drone goes without anyone driving nearby or having a line of sight or anything, just with VR goggles.
Oh yeah. Oh, you have that.
New bus.
Yeah, I guess that's the easiest way. Can do it.
We can just set that razor thing for the shop and put it on the drone.